Hi, let me introduce our service Cockfight. Cockfight is a gamified yield farming service based on an instant yield system in an easy way. Before getting into our service, I want to talk about the pain points that existing DeFi protocols have. Most DeFi services are difficult to use and very complex. If you've ever used the Pendle Finance, you might notice that there are a lot of jargons and it's very complicated logics. So it creates the barriers for users to enter into the DeFi ecosystem. And the second thing is the staking process is boring. Normally, staking is tedious, so it takes time for users to take part in other DeFi protocols. So we aim to solve these problems with easy user flow and concept. We've introduced an intuitive chicken and egg concept to make users easily understand the game logic and enjoy without burden. Cockfight changed the tedious process of depositing assets and receiving interest on the protocol level into buying chicken and receiving eggs on the application level. And we introduce gamified and entertaining dynamic elements to make users enjoy with various games in our apps. Our main two key points are instant yield and egg markets. Users don't have to wait until eggs are accumulated to play games. In traditional DeFi protocols, users have to wait until their yields are accumulated to interact with other protocols. But in Cockfight, users don't have to wait. They get their eggs as soon as they buy chickens. The second key point is egg markets. This is the place where users interchange their eggs. Users get an instant access to play games by buying eggs without having to buy a chicken. It is appropriate for users who pursue high risk and high return. And according to the amount of yields provided to users, there are various types of chickens with different conditions. We determined to call it a sick chicken. Along with lockup period during which the eggs don't come out, sick chicken recovers, turning into the healthy chicken eventually. Users also can sell both sick chicken and healthy chicken. Sick chicken can be sold with lower price, and healthy chicken can be sold with higher price.
Okay, let me show you a demonstration. We just built on the Celo network. We're just getting posted, and what you have to do is just deposit your asset on our service and then buy a chicken. If you buy a chicken, that means that you're staking on our service, and then that chicken will lay eggs every day. And you can see the instant egg. That is a instant yield, and that instant yield will be used for games or can be used any DeFi service in our network, even if another network. Okay, we just find now. And after that, in your page, you can see stable chicken and volatile chicken. A stable one is you can deposit a stable token like a USDT or some reliable token. And volatile chicken, you can deposit Ethereum or any other volatile one, and you can make more eggs in your deposit. And this is a lottery. And if you betting on your game, and if you make, okay, you can betting. And if you match the number where you win, you will get a lot of rewards on your service. And that eggs, if you miss, you just lose your eggs. But you don't lose your staked value. And it's a low risk, high return, I think. And then if you get the instant yield, you have to lock your chicken. That chicken could be traded by user in our marketplace, and then you can sell and you can buy if you want to buy a chicken. After that, your chicken is pretty healthy, then you can unstake your chicken and get your own staked value. Okay? Yes. Pretty cool. This is our service. Thank you.